Hey guys, welcome back to Home Built, and with any luck, everything going perfectly, today is finally the day that Harry gets registered for the road. Yes, with everything going properly, in about half an hour I have an appointment to get a blue slip for this car. So I thought I'd just cover a little bit about how we have to get a car registered here in New South Wales that hasn't been registered before. Every state of Australia is different, but the way it works here with this car, because of the modifications like the seats, my pedal box, the roll cage, everything is all covered by an engineer. In theory, if you modify anything at all on your car, if you put a pod filter on it, that should be engineered to be legal in Australia, or at least in New South Wales. That said, that is what all this paperwork is. My engineering has come through, it is done, it is sorted, the whole car is engineered and legal to be road registered. Now I need to go to take it to get a blue slip. So in New South Wales, every car that's over 3 years old every year needs to go and get an inspection. Usually that's called a pink slip here, and the pink slip just is a basic thing, just checking that your tyres aren't bald, there's no visible rust, the wipers and their lights and the horn and everything work. That is what a pink slip is. A blue slip is the next step up from that. So anything that hasn't been registered for over 3 months then has to get a blue slip to get registered. Not as many places do the blue slips. It's a little bit more expensive, and they're just a bit more thorough version. So still, again, checking the roadworthiness of the vehicle, and to do that, generally the only way you can get a blue slip is with a completely standard vehicle or an engineer certificate, which I now have. So that's what I'm going to go and do now. And then I need to get my, in New South Wales, you've got a compulsory third-party insurance, which is called the green slip. So you've got blue, pink and green slips in New South Wales. The green slip basically just covers if you have to have it to drive on the road. It just means that if your car hits somebody else and injures them personally, it covers you for that. I've also organised getting comprehensive insurance on this as well, which then covers the car if it gets damaged and anybody else's car. So lots of paperwork and stuff that has taken a lot of time. It's been 5 years, but it's time to start her up, and I can actually drive it legally to the inspection centre and back via the quickest route possible, like the most direct route. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go and get it registered. Fingers crossed. Oh. He's taking it out now for another brake test, because it's got to be brake tested again, and hopefully that's what he needs to do to get it to pass. Yes! We passed! I've got my blue slip. I am driving now directly to actually officially register it. I'm allowed to actually drive it to get rego. So, yes! I'm so excited. Oh, what a day. It's been 5 years and I finally get to drive my pride and joy. Oh. So good. Okay, so I've come into the registration office here and I've taken a ticket and I have to wait my turn now, and hopefully I can get this car registered. Oh, this is the last hurdle, the last thing I need to do, and then it's on the road. We have Rego! Yes! Finally! I can drive it legally. These are temporary plates. I've ordered some new custom plates which should come within the next couple of weeks, but that gets me on the road. I am finally legally driving the car. Well, sort of. I need to bolt the plates on, but that's done. Yes! 5 years! Yes! Yes! We are registered. I have Harry. We finally have Rego. I have plates. They're not these are just temporary plates that I'm going to put on for the next few weeks until the custom plates I ordered came in. So, yay! So great! We have Rego! I'm so excited! Oh, finally! It's been 5 years. 5 years building this thing, and I've actually been able to drive it around on the road legally. The number plates on the front are extremely ugly at the moment and massive. The ones I've ordered are smaller. Shouldn't look as horrible as that, but that's fine. It means I can drive it on the road. It is legal. Now, that does not mean it is the end of Harry by any means. I still need to get out on the road to really give you some of my impressions of what it's like to drive. There's still lots of little bits and pieces that need to be sorted out on this car because it is far from finished. I mean, just getting on the road is the start of the tweaks and corrections and things I need to do to actually make it so that it is a comfortable, usable car. For starters, I was driving it, it's been a wet day, so I had the headlights on, and everybody is flashing me because my headlights are too bright and high, so I need to adjust that. There are lots of other tweaks and things that I'm going to be doing to this car over the next months and years to enjoy. So it still needs the suspension done. As I said, I haven't touched that. There's plenty to keep me busy. But it's on the road. It's registered. It's so good. So good. Anyway, that's all I've got this week. I know it's sort of a quick one. It's such a detailed process trying to get a car registered here. So I thought I'd sort of give you a little bit of insight into what it takes to actually get it on the road. But it's done. It's actually registered. It is actually a usable car now. I can get in and drive it whenever I like. So as always, please like and subscribe to this stuff. Hit the bell, all that sort of junk. And if you want to watch the videos a day early, help us out on Patreon. And if you're shopping for any parts for your Porsches, make sure you check out PorschePartsByJeff.com and compare prices there first. All right, guys. See you in the next one.